what's up? Welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'm actually doing a first impression of a product. So instead of doing like a full in-depth review, we're gonna do a first impressions, and then I'm gonna later on come back and do like a full review. But I'm actually trying out the new QYKSONIC Zoe Bliss. So if you guys wanna see this and everything comes with it, then definitely keep on watching. Before I dive into this, guys, I want to just do a quick shout out. I have to tell you guys about this. So this is my new custom brush holder. This is done by Vanessa over at Glam Obsession Designs. Seriously, she custom made this brush holder for me so I could put all my beautiful like bling brushes in here, and she put like her little label right at the bottom, Glam Obsession Designs, and this is literally hand crafted. It is stunning, it is amazing, and I don't know how well the camera picks up the quality of it, but oh, beautiful. And honestly, you know how much this cost? It was 40 bucks. 40 bucks for a hand custom brush holder, and that included shipping. Shipping was in the price of that. Like, are you serious right now? Seriously, so stunning. And it literally holds up so many brushes, nice big inside, and it's a really gorgeous, beautiful design. I mean, like, seriously, like, just take a look at this for a minute. I'm sorry, I cannot get over how stunning this is. I wonder if I could even like shine like a flashlight to this. Does it help show the sparkle of it? Y'all, Vanessa does amazing work, and like I said, it's all custom designed, so you can reach out to her on her Instagram at Glam Obsessions Designs. I'll have that link down below as well as like in this video, but you can literally find her on there, and she does hand custom orders. It takes about 3 to 4 weeks for the process for the order to be sent to you, because they are, you know, handmade. It's stunning. It's stunning. I asked her for this particular design because I saw a wine tumbler like this, and I was like, I want my brush holder like that. I'm gonna order another one of these. So I'm probably gonna do it in rose gold, because you know I love rose gold, and I'm gonna have that for my rose gold matching set. And the wine glass, which is like the little what's it called? A little small one like this. Stemless wine glass. I'm gonna have this exact design because I want this, but I also want one in rose gold too, because like they're so freaking gorgeous. And I'm gonna get the tumbler of probably like rose gold. I might do this rose gold one too. She could literally custom make them for you. She's amazing. She's so sweet. She gets back to you as soon as she can. And right now she's currently only on Instagram, but she is working on her website so she could have it available for everybody to go and purchase. That way, if you don't have Instagram, you can still go to her website and find out her products. But seriously, guys, I cannot get over how stunning these are, and they complement the bling brushes so beautifully. Like, seriously, this is like my new obsession. Oh my god, I love it so much. I had to do a quick shout out. All right, guys, so I'm gonna be 100% transparent in this video, like I am with all my product reviews, all my videos. I'm always honest. So over, I want to say a month and a half ago, the company QYKSONIC actually reached out to me and asked me if I wanted to try out their Zoe Bliss. It's almost like it's comparable to like the QYKSONIC facial brush cleanser. This is their version of it, and they asked if I wanted to try it, and I said yeah, absolutely, because I've never tried anything like that before. I've never tried the QYKSONIC facial brush, whatever that thing is called. Never tried it, never tried anything. So I was like, all right, let's go ahead and give this a try. So a month and a half later, I honestly thought they forgot about me, because I was like sitting here waiting, but they finally sent this out to me. So in this video, instead of doing like a full in-depth review, I'm actually gonna be doing a first impression, because I feel like in order to get a full review on a product, particularly a skincare product, you really gotta invest some time in it. So this is just a first impressions, a first try on in this video with you guys, and then later on within like a week to 2 weeks, I will be doing a full, more in-depth review about this product and how I really feel about this. So today is just a first impression. So the QYKSONIC Zoe Bliss, it is their latest skincare device that cleanses, massages, and applies skincare for optimal short and long-term results. With an innovative design and revolutionary technology, Zoe Bliss offers 7,500 T-Sonic micro pulsations per minute to cleanse, exfoliate, massage, apply product, reduce signs of aging, and revigorate the glow to the skin. Zoe Bliss has arrived to change your skincare and your life. So you got different colors you choose from. There's baby pink, there's blue, there's purple, there's yellow, and there's hot pink. I actually chose the purple because I was like, well, purple's, you know, one of my favorite colors. If they had orange, I would have gone for orange, but I like purple second. And it says that this has no expensive replacement brush heads ever. It's ultra hygienic, medical grade, antimicrobial silicone. It has over 1,600 biometrically positioned enhanced touch points. It has over 500 uses per single charge for battery life and is suitable for all skincare products. One of the best things about the products, it does have a 60-day money-back guarantee. It has free shipping and free returns, and it has a 1-year warranty on the product. So when I got this box, it actually came with this little cool little pamphlet right here, and it kind of tells you more about what I just read to you guys off their website. It says that with the 750 pulsations per minute, it removes 99.5% of dirt, oil, makeup residue. It has an anti-aging module which soothes the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles, and the medical grade silicone rhythmic pulsation mode is for gentle use of product penetration. So not only can you cleanse your skin with this, you should actually put the foundation onto the silicone brush, and you can actually put the foundation and apply it to your skin that way instead of using a brush or a little sponge, my dirty sponge right here. So it's actually really, really, really neat that they sent this over, and I'm really excited to give this a try. So let's go ahead and get into this. All right, so this is how the Zoe Bliss looks, and it does come with a little card, and this is an authenticity card. And this card and the following unique serial number is the seal of authenticity to your Zoe. Please scan the unique QR code using the camera on your phone to validate the authenticity, register the warranty, and receive special offers. Sweet, that's actually really cool. I like that. Oh wow. This is definitely very interesting. The back feels really, really, really nice. And then it comes with a cute little bag along with a, looks like to be a charger that you could charge up the device. And at the bottom we do have some instructions. It says thank you and congratulations on your purchasing your Zoe, the latest in skincare technology from QYKSONIC. So like on the front, it shows there's two different sides to it. So you have the front and the back. So the front is the front is made up of the medical grade silicone and has soft cleansing touch points on the front and a medium hard touch points on the back. The front is suited for facial cleansing for all skin types, while the back is used for anti-aging massage and also to help product application and penetration. So the front you want to use to clean your skin. On the back you want to use if you want to go deeper with the cleaning products, as well as applying the foundation. You put on the back and you start putting that all over your skin. And then it shows you the steps of like how to wash your face. I mean, I guess I was washing my face wrong, but it's cool because it shows you how to wash your face. It shows you how to do the cleansing. It shows you how to do the anti-aging mode. And then if you open it up, it shows you how to do product application on here as well. So that's actually really unique. I like how that has all those facts. It says if there's any troubleshooting, it tells you all the issues with that. It gives you warranty information on here. It tells you how to care and use precautions for handling your Zoe, which I think is really, really unique. Now, if you guys can't already tell, I am being a cheeky YouTuber and I'm filming 3 videos in one today. I've now had on this product since 10 a.m. this morning, and it's now 5 o'clock in the afternoon. And as you guys can tell, my face is really, really oily. Super duper oily, and it's because of the foundation that I used. Normally I don't look this bad, but I did use a SPF 50 foundation, and that makes my skin extremely oily. So I'm actually going to give this product a fair try. I'm going to take off my makeup first. I always do this in any type of taking off my makeup. I always use a facial wipe first. I'm actually using just the Neutrogena gentle removal facial wipes right here. Love this. I use this to always take off my makeup first, and then I actually wash my face. I just feel like this really helps to take away any excess makeup, and then you guys get to see my skin for how it is. You know, I've never taken off my makeup in front of the camera. I always put on my makeup in front of the camera but never take it off, so you guys get to see me in all my glory. But guess what? That is perfectly okay because we're all friends here, so no shame, no shame. Look at that, look at that. Yeah, look at this. Ooh, so pretty. Look, now I'm like that power makeup video. Oh, now Bob's really gonna shine through. Oh man. Ooh. Oh wow. Alright, so now that's on, you turn it down, turn it up for more intensation. So the very front right here, this is how you clean the face right here. And it just goes on the skin. Ooh, that's like a lot of vibrations. And on the back, you apply your foundation like this. And what I like about the shape of it is that it gets like literally like right here into the cracks and crevices of the face. Super nice, super nice. Ooh, now it's pulsing. You know what this reminds me of? The way that it pulses. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and wash the face. I have a bowl of water right here. Let me go ahead and get my face a little bit cleansed. I would show you what skincare product I'm using, but I can't. And the reason being is I would love to tell you guys, but I can't tell you guys until next month, which I'm really, really excited to tell you guys about, but you know, I gotta wait, but I'm so excited to tell you guys about this product. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and, well, I guess I just put the product right here. All right, so now the product is on. I'm gonna lower the intensity of it. It's kind of high. I'm gonna start to massage this into the skin. I'm not gonna lie to you guys, the pulsation's a little strong. It's kind of like rattling my teeth a little bit. Oh, so I leave this on my cheek for like 30 seconds. I just massage it in here for 30 seconds. That's actually kind of nice. The way that it's vibrating like my under eye and like my nose area, it's kind of soothing. All right, now that I was like in the skin, we're gonna go ahead and once you get done washing your face, turn off your Zoe, rinse your face, dry using towel. Okay, we're gonna rinse my face. Okay, that made it even more soapier. I just stuck my face in water and this is getting more soapier. All right, you know what we're gonna do? Now we're gonna take, since my face just got even more soapy, we're gonna take our Zoe, we're gonna turn it back on again. Now we're really gonna massage the product one more time. Get in there. Love how it can get right in there. That's actually super nice. And look, right into the cracks and crevices of my nose too. Get all those blackheads out, yes. Massage it. It's just so weird. Okay, I'm gonna turn it up to like high intensity to see what happens. Ooh, that is intense. Okay, I don't like it down here because it really rattles my teeth and my head. Wow. The really high intensity, guys, seriously is shaking my head. Woo! She's intense. All right, my towel's coming off a little dirty. A little dirty. I mean, I didn't expect it to be like a miracle, but let's see what happens when I dry it off to see how my face looks. Make sure you guys clean your Zoe. It says clean your Zoe off with some water, some soap and water, because I guarantee you, like if you guys can already tell right here, like that is just a lot of like buildup of just the gunk and my skincare product that I used to wash my face. I could tell you're gonna want to clean that. I think one of the difference between the QYKSONIC and the Zoe is that the QYKSONIC brush, that actually, the little brush cleaner you have to clean all the time, and that like stores a lot of gunk. I think with this right here, I don't think this is gonna have the capability to store a lot of gunk on this. Now this does retail for $149, and there's our different devices on the website. This is the Zoe version. There's other different devices on there, which I'll have everything linked down below. And then I know that the QYKSONIC does retail, at least for the one that I saw, for $199. So you do save 50 bucks by using this little guy. Plus it gets up into little nooks and crannies right here, which I think is really, really cool. Now if I want to take like a closer look of my skin up close, I mean, I could definitely say that my skin is really, really, really soft. It feels completely cleaned. And like, I have large pores, so I can tell my pores need to be exfoliated. It did a pretty good job. I'm not gonna lie, I did a pretty good job of exfoliating my skin. I mean, Bob's coming to a head right here, so it means I might get to finally pop him and get rid of him soon. But I really like how it's working so far. Now, I have not tried the makeup version of this. Like I said, on the back is like the deeper pulsation that you put right here, and it says to like, this is where you can apply onto your products right here. It's not as soft as the front side is, but the back side, it has the anti-aging mode. So you can sit here and put on your products right here, and you can massage it under your eyes, massage it into your areas that you have like the issues. You can apply your anti-aging serum and massage it. Ooh, I actually have a serum that I could put on. All right, once again, I can't show you guys the serum yet, but eventually I will, but I'm going to go ahead and drop it on here. This side's a little rough. If I lower the intensity of it, does it lower? Okay, yeah, it does. All right, I kind of like the front facing side more. This side's a little bit rougher, I feel like, on the skin, like for sure. I also feel like I didn't put any of my products actually in my skin, because I could literally take this and I could rub this back into my skin. I feel like I didn't really rub, I feel like I didn't really do much, honestly. Come on, get in there. Not bad, guys, not bad. Oh God, this eye right here still has a lot of glitter on it. It's gonna be more work of taking that off. But so far this is not bad. Like I said, this product retails for $149, and there are different versions on the website. Like I said, I'll have everything linked down below. This is very comparable to the QYKSONIC like Mia functional brush cleanser product that they have as well. This is just a little bit more cute and more effective, like when it comes like design wise and traveling wise, and like so I can get right here up into your nooks and crannies, right up in here, and they can like clean really deep into the skin. I really like the front facing side, and it is very, very soft and soothing. You have the different levels of pulsations that you can use. On the back right here, it says that you can apply your foundation and your serums and your anti-aging properties right over here to help the skin. It's supposed to be able to help it tighten pores over time. Like I said, this is just a first impressions video, so I don't know the long-term effects of using this and what it's really going to do for my skin. So we'll be doing another video coming up. I'll do a video with this. I'll be using this every night to give this a try, but I'll be doing a video next, and I'll put on the foundation. I'll actually apply this with my foundation to see how well it does, and in that video I'll do like my final overall review of the product. But so far I do like it. It's very unique. I've never tried anything like this before, so I don't have anything else to compare it to, unfortunately, but I'm very, very grateful that QYKSONIC did send this out to me to give it a chance and give it a try. Like, guys, thank you so much for sending me this product. Like, oh my God, that's so cool. What? This was actually my first PR. Like, I know in other videos I've done PR already, but this is the first company to ever reach out to me to ask if I wanted to try anything. Granted, it took them forever to send the product to me, but I'm still very grateful for it. But this is the first brand that ever reached out, so that's actually really cool. Yeah, guys, that is it for today's video. Please make sure you guys give this video a cheeky thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel if you guys have not already, because I do post 2, usually 3, sometimes 4 videos a week. Don't forget to head over to my other channel at Our Florida Life. You guys can see our cool Florida adventures. And as always, guys, I want to thank you guys for all your love and support, and I'll see you guys in the very next video. Bye! The first impression I'm doing is from the new company called or like a little. I'm gonna be trying, and I'm gonna get a I'm gonna get a wine tumbler and a what's the other one called? Wine tumbler? And what's the other one I want? Or just a wine cup? I'm gonna get the QYKSONIC Zoe. The QYKSONIC QYKSONIC Zoe Bliss. It is actually a let me get my facts. QYKSONIC Zoe Bliss. It is our, I can't talk. Our 700 Zoe Bliss offers 7,500. Revigorate the antimicrobial. How do you spell it? Antimicrobial silicone. One of the best things about this product is that it does have a 60-day money back. Alright, so when you take a look inside,